Wanna fly in Pokémon GO, teleport to any location in the world, without getting banned? Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. And how to stay safe while spoofing. Open MagFone Location Changer on your computer, click Start button. And then connect your phone to the computer via a USB cable. Select Game Mode, Pokémon GO. Once you are on the map, you can pin the best place for Pokémon GO, or you can directly enter the place in the search bar. Then click the Start Modifying button to teleport. There is also cooldown time provided for you to play Pokémon, which is also very important to avoid your account being banned. In addition, MagFone Location Changer offers joystick movement features. Here you can set your movement speed and joystick control to control movement in real time. Flying in Pokémon GO is awesome, as long as you spoof responsibly. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more tips.